back to my channel Wiki with Eclipse, and you guys already know that where I'm traveling. It's been very long time that I badly want to visit the place called Kolle Hills, and I'm riding along with my friend who's called as Mahesh, and he'll be with his Domina 250. And finally, I reached Krishnagiri, and very early morning my bike had very low visibility, and now I'm able to keep up speed of 100 easily. On my left hand side, you guys can see that is his new Domina 250, and is fully I mean with all the riding gears, we are full safe, and we just stopped for a coffee break, and now we are in Dharmapuri. These roads are just amazing, guys. I just cannot put through words that maintaining cruising speed of 120 and listening to a favorite song, and it's a different world altogether. And moreover, highways are not a joke. We have to be always very careful on keep looking at the mirror, and make sure that all the riding gears are there. It's very important when it comes to an highway. It's never ever the joke, because it's not a car ride. And have been here on this place in cars and all, and this is the first time that I'm traveling after Dharmapuri, especially in my bike, and I never thought it will be this good. And I think we have reached Topur, and on my left hand side there were too many wind turbine. They were there, and you guys will be familiar with what is Topur highway is. It is one of the most dangerous highway in Tamil Nadu, and because there were too many accidents which takes place because the drivers who lose the control in the downhill, and they'll be at high speed. This road is simply amazing, guys. On my left hand side, there's a beautiful hill actually, and I can literally see a cloud which is passing on the tip of the mountain. It's just amazing, guys. Just amazing, and it feels so good. And only the biker who loves the nature, they can understand what it feels. There's a slight diversion towards Namakkal, and from here and another 120 kilometer towards Kolle Hills. And again, these roads are brilliant. I don't know, whenever I travel, it gives me immense energy. I don't know the kind of connection what I'm feeling with nature, with my bike, and with my thoughts. I don't know how to say it, and I hope you guys are traveling along with me. And these trees, and the sound of the wind, and those cold breeze, it's just a different world, I can say that. Look how beautiful is that. Coconut trees around, and there's a huge mountain, I must say that. Just amazing, guys. I don't know how the people who live here, they are very blessed, I must say that. And finally, this road will take us to our college, and we have to be very careful while taking the overtake. And I'm not sure what is happening here. I had to stop now. So let me park on my left side for a safer side. And actually, what happened is I were not wearing my mask because you guys will be know how the touring helmet will be. It will be very tight fit, and wearing a mask is a joke, I must say that. And anyhow, will be closed with the visor. And here I had to take a COVID test, and you guys know that there are news about second wave in Tamil Nadu, and that's the reason they were taking the test. And I have given my sample. And what I can suggest you is, any of you guys are planning to visit Kolli Hills, please come here with safe riding gear, and make sure that you have all the necessary things in your travel bag. And I must say that we are so blessed to experience this kind of life. And I'm not sure the battery level of my action camera. And I think we have almost completed 70 hairpin bends, which are crazy actually. And I don't know when this video will stop. And from here, we'll be traveling to a Pondicherry, which is another 280 kilometer, and we'll be reaching there in Pondicherry at 7:30 or 8:30 p.m. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. I will see you in Pondicherry. Have a nice day.